What will be our investment strategy based on the current market high?
So see, how you treat a market high, or you see a Sensex number which is 50,000, right? For example, a 10-year kid is normal fair value weight would be 10 kg, right? Pardon me, would be, so for example, 25 kg is fair value weight, right? For a normal circumstances. If at 20 year, yeah, his weight would be 50 kg. Can you tell that if it has grown from 25 kg to 50 kg, now he has become overweight? No, he has not become overweight, because it has happened after 10 years, right? So your weight should be fair value or overweight or underweight based on your age, right? If you see, the market is overvalued, undervalued based on the economy, right? If economy has grown and the market has grown, it has remained fairly valued, right? So that is what the market has been read in respect to the economy, right? So because of COVID, what has happened? First, I will tell you, because of COVID, Indian has become wealthier because 69% Indian money is into gold, and gold has become 30,000 to 50,000. So Indian has become wealthier, and wealthy people spend more. This is called wealth effect. And if you spend more, the economy will grow faster. India requires lower interest rate to grow. And because of COVID, India's interest rate has gone down. Right? And at lower interest rate, people don't park money into fixed deposit. They spend that money. And if people spend money, the economy will grow faster. Because of COVID, because of India-China tension, we have kept ban on various Chinese products, which has actually helped Indian product to grow. And that's why it has positively impacted. So economy will again grow faster. Because of COVID, the FII has become positive on India because crude fell down, and falling crude helped India than the rest of the emerging country. So FII is putting more money into India because Indian outlook is improved. Our current account has become surplus because of COVID. Because of COVID, the crude went down, and falling crude helps India because we are importer of the crude. So see, the recent recovery came because of this all positive development in economy. So what economy is, what the participant is understanding, economy will run faster than what it was running for last 10 years. And if it runs faster, if it has to move ahead, the market will follow it. So always see the market with respect to economy. But yeah, today also the market is not fairly valued. It is slightly above fair value, right? So you should, out of your 100 rupees, you should put 40-45 rupees in equity, rest into debt or any traditional instrument wherever you feel right. And you can consult for various instruments with your advisor. So first decide, and rest 10 to 15 rupees you can also invest into gold. So this is how one should take investment decision. And if you don't want to do it, see any asset allocation product, what kind of equity, debt and gold they are having. They do everything on their own. So you can invest in those kind of products also.